สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to Speak Thai right now with me ครู Gift. In this video, you will learn how to introduce yourself in Thai. My name is. The first word that you need to know is ชื่อ ชื่อ means name. If you are the female speaker, you say ฉันชื่อ and follow by your name. Repeat after me. ฉันชื่อ For example, ฉันชื่อ Gift. My name is Gift. Now your turn. ฉันชื่อ And if you are male speaker, you say ผมชื่อ Repeat after me. ผมชื่อ and follow by your name. For example, ผมชื่อ Peter. My name is Peter. Now your turn. ผมชื่อ Well done! Now you can introduce yourself in Thai. If you like this video, please follow our channel and see you in the next video. สวัสดีค่ะ Bye!